I want to take this opportunity to underscore a highly commendable achievement of our shipbuilding venture. Our collaboration with various partners has enabled Kenya to develop notable shipbuilding capacity. This has been accomplished under exceptional circumstances in that the project achieved significant saving of resources for the Exchequer. The level of savings made by this project enabled the Exchequer to redirect sufficient funds to undertake a midlife refit of a warship, making the KNS Shupavu the first naval ship to undergo a midlife refit in Kenya. The technical capacity and efficiency of our shipbuilding is here for us to see, and I was very pleasantly happy today when I launched the KNS Shupavu, which has just gotten into the waters a few minutes ago. That was done with partners, and I want to thank Damen for being our reliable partners, but also the many men and women from Kenya who did a fabulous job. I was very happy to see the level of expertise and finesse in the completion of the ship I just saw outside here. In fact, I saw exactly the same thing when we went to Amsterdam. And therefore, it confirms to me that what we have here is world class. Congratulations, General Otieno and your team. I am delighted to join you today for the celebration of the great work and commendable achievement that has been and has enabled us to reach this tremendous milestone so soon after commissioning the 2,000-ton slipway, which this afternoon I had the privilege to operate. This encouraging progress places our nation firmly on the foundation for takeoff and launches us on a sound trajectory of excellence in maritime engineering. This is an important achievement because it enables Kenya to fulfill the imperatives arising from its highly strategic geographical location, both in terms of opportunities as well as threats in connection with national interest. Our country is situated at the center of the expansive and abundantly endowed Western Indian Ocean Rim, which directly caters for a region of 60 million people who rely on the ocean for their livelihoods. Access to food and other maritime resources, as well as transport for goods and services, which is vital for local, regional, and international trade, must be guaranteed, regulated, and also must be secured. The blue economy is an integral sector of our vision for national prosperity and a critical driver of our bottom-up economic transformation agenda. The current performance of the sector has not meaningfully been exploited and the immense potential that lies in the ocean, and neither has it begun to contribute significantly to our GDP. As I said earlier in the day, as I said yesterday and the day before, it is our intention that the blue economy that today contribute between 15 and 20 billion Kenya shillings to our economy and our GDP, we should scale it up. And with the interventions and programs and incentives that we're going to provide, it is our intention to increase the contribution of the blue economy from 15 to 100 billion shillings every year.